आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण देश में संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है।
Our hospitals, that means Ayurvedic hospitals and research centers, which were closed completely due to the pandemic, is now open for admission of the patients. We take care of all the aspects of the patient. Once the patient comes here, he will be required to test RT-PCR, and when it becomes negative, then we will admit him to conduct the Ayurvedic treatment. Our masseurs, our doctors, even all the staff, they are all made sure that they are negative to COVID-19. We have always kept in mind the risk and the precautions to be taken not to spread the pandemic 19, so that the patients are not put into difficulties.
From Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I did an online consultation with Ayurveda, and I was recommended that I should come here to the center. And at first I was very anxious, to tell you the truth, but the way I was consulted and I was told that all the circumstances, everything is taken well care of. And because the case is also very high in Kerala at that time, so I came here, I got proper accommodation, which was all suggested by the Ayurveda Sala, on the hospital itself suggested me the best place to go. I had got taken care of in quarantine for 7 days. Then I came here, and the staff and everyone were very supportive. My test was done here. Everybody is in the campus itself, so all my anxiety regarding the pandemic and the COVID rules was all taken care of very well. The staff and the doctors, everyone are very supportive. They are all in the center itself. I observed that, and that itself is very comforting. And the food, everybody is very good. My care, I'm in their hands, and they're taking very good care of me, and I can see a lot of results for my condition also. So all, I'm very happy, and I can be rest assured. In the pandemic season also, the Ayurveda Sala is still #1 and doing great work for the patients.
Yogasana, meditation and pranayama helps the patient to manage their chronic stress, anxiety and depression. Yoga is incredibly beneficial for those who recovering from cancer, those who have multiple sclerosis, diabetes, hypertension and heart disease. It is not only the form of physical exercise but also it is a form of gaining mental strength and relaxation.
Now we are at the physiotherapy department at Ayurvedishala. So in physiotherapy department we deal with all sort of patients, like whether it be neurology patients, orthopedic patients, pediatric cases, a lot of autoimmune disorders, and recent field like computer related injury patients, like patients with back pain, intervertebral disc prolapse, neck pains, sciaticas and all such things. So in Ayurvedishala what we do is we do proper assessment of the patients, and we practice evidence-based protocols which are practiced worldwide in rehabilitation. Physiotherapy, when combined with Ayurveda, give ideal results in terms of rehabilitating the patient.
Our outpatient department also is now fully functional. We are aware that we have to avoid second wave of the pandemic COVID-19.